morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on Bitcoin USD, recent developments, and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
Bitcoin has gained 0.1% in the last session. The CCI has skyrocketed into the positive area. The euro-dollar pair has fallen 1.2% in the last two sessions. The Williams indicator has transitioned into oversold territory. The sterling-dollar pair has lost 1% in the last three sessions. The stochastic RSI moved sharply into neutral territory. The Aussie dollar pair has fallen 0.7% in the last three sessions. The ultimate oscillator transitioned into the oversold zone.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Strong online sales and demand from Chinese shoppers and students heading back to school are expected to have helped Nike swing back to a profit in the first quarter. Germany has told Britain that its threat to break international law when it leaves the customs union next year is unacceptable. Europe Minister Michael Roth said time was running out. Bitcoin is once again taking cues from the stock markets, and prices may fall below $10,000 if equities see further sell-off, according to analysts.
Thank you. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
The Swiss SNB interest rate decision will be released at 5:30 GMT, the German business expectations at 600 GMT, the German IFO Business Climate Index at 600 GMT, the Eurozone's ECB Economic Bulletin at 600 GMT, the U.S. new home sales at 1200 GMT, and the UK GfK Consumer Confidence at 2101 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.